Hello and welcome to ZAP Yard and Japidemi. Does the SAP Technology Chief has to leave because of harassment case? Is SAP returning to the old SAP? Why did two C-suite level members depart from SAP last month? What's cooking in SAP? Let's start with the harassment case. Chief Technology Officer Juergen Mueller will be leaving SAP shortly. The programmer and Chief Technology Officer has apologized to everyone involved for this behavior. Long story short, SAP's Chief Technology Officer CTO Juergen Mueller is leaving the company at the end of September 2024. SAP announced this yesterday on September 3rd, 2024. Mueller explained, "At a past company event, an incident occurred in which I behaved inappropriately. I regret that I acted rashly and sincerely apologize to everyone involved." He said he recognized that his behavior did not reflect SAP's values, took full responsibility, and thought that his resignation was the best thing for the company. SAP did not provide more details about the incident, so it makes everyone wonder what his inappropriate behavior was. Recently, SAP extended his contract and hailed him for the BTP revolution, so it must have been pretty serious. Some netizens question, if it was so serious, why is his resignation not immediate then? Some consultants working in tech industry commented, "None of us would have been paid for another 30 days and given a golden parachute in such situation." So what really transpired in that event? According to information from Handelsblatt, the manager allegedly approached an employee inappropriately at an event a few weeks ago. Allegedly approached. What does that really mean is subjective. According to the report, there was an internal investigation in which the compliance department clarified the incident. Another interesting fact is unusual straight admission of guilt by a top C-level manager. Mueller's contract was originally supposed to be running till 2027. He has been working at SAP for around 11 years and became a member of the executive board in 2019. Supervisory board chairman Pekka Ella said, on an interim basis, SAP CEO Christian Klein will assume responsibilities for most of the technology and innovation executive board area which Müller headed. The SAP Global Security and Cloud Compliance team will move to the customer service and delivery executive board area under Thomas Soares. Apologies for the mispronunciation if any. Such a clear admission of guilt by a top manager is very unusual and was probably made in this form to empathize that there is no personal crisis on the board. Is SAP in turmoil? The full acceptance by CTO and mutual departure raises eyebrows. Just last month, marketing director Julia White and sales director Scott Russell left the company. In April 2021, co-CEO Jennifer Morgan, who had run the company together with Christian Klein, resigned. She had to leave the company after just 6 months. She received 15 million euros in severance pay for her departure. CFO Luca Music and Human Resource Director Seben Bendek also left SAP before the end of their contracts. Is everything under control in SAP, or is there anything else cooking inside the closed doors? There are rumors about SAP's leadership stability and future directions. The sudden exits, especially without immediate successor, has left many wondering what is really going on behind the scenes. Is SAP returning to the old SAP? SAP's decision not to replace White and Müller, who both held critical roles in shaping the company's modern cloud and AI strategies, suggests a possible return to the traditional way of doing business. Instead of driving forward with the cloud-first approach under White's marketing vision, SAP appears to be reverting to an older organizational model where marketing functions are embedded within product development. This shift in leadership and strategy may signal SAP's intention to consolidate its operations and streamline decision-making. However, it also raises questions about companies' commitment to innovation, especially as it's continued to champion a suite-first and AI-first strategy. With both cloud and AI being central to SAP's future, the absence of key leaders in this area could stall progress at the time when competitors are rapidly advancing. What's next for SAP? Users and partners alike are now left to wonder how these changes will impact the company's long-term vision and operational focus. The sudden leadership vacuum, coupled with SAP's lack of transparency, could lead to hesitancy in adopting new SAP technologies or expanding existing deployments. SAP needs to reassure its customers and partners that its strategic goals remain intact despite the recent shakeup. Clear communication coupled with the definitive plans for leadership succession will be crucial in maintaining user confidence and ensuring that SAP's momentum in cloud and AI continues uninterrupted. Only time will tell, but one thing is clear: a CTO asked to leave SAP due to harassment case will stay in our minds for a long time to come. What do you feel? Is CTO Müller made a scapegoat? Or do you think this is a business decision or the result of violation of company policies? Please share your thoughts in the comment section. Also, do you have any memory of any CTOs or CEOs asked to leave a company due to harassment case in recent history? Please do share in the comment sections. If you think you got some new information today, please hit the like button. It makes the YouTube algorithm happy and helps our effort reach more audience. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to our channel for more SAP, ERP and tech stories and updates. Stay safe. Till next video, Raju Shrestha signing off.